Let's wrap up the day in SEO and AI. Here are the stories that mattered most today. We have big news on the manufacturing front for AI chips, insights from a chess legend on the nature of AI, and a fascinating military collaboration between the UK and Ukraine. The surge in artificial intelligence applications has created an extraordinary appetite for computing capabilities, making Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSMC, the ultimate beneficiary. While companies like Nvidia, AMD, and Broadcom are experiencing substantial revenue growth, it is TSMC, the entity responsible for the actual production of these components, that is poised to become the dominant force due to its superior technological edge and immense operational scale. However, their reliance on TSMC for the physical manufacturing of these intricate components remains absolute, as TSMC's substantial commitment to innovation and development, combined with its extensive manufacturing infrastructure, fosters a self-reinforcing cycle that secures substantial orders, enhances its operational prowess, and thereby reinforces its technological superiority. Next up, world chess champion Garry Kasparov's 1997 defeat at the hands of IBM's supercomputer, Deep Blue, represented a watershed moment, marking the first instance of a machine triumphing over a human world champion in a formal competition, an event that dramatically altered global perspectives on artificial intelligence. In a recent Washington Post interview, Kasparov offered his current insights into AI and its trajectory, nearly 30 years after his landmark match, observing that activities humans find taxing, such as calculations and chess, are relatively simple for machines, while conversely, skills that humans perform effortlessly, like locomotion or identifying individuals by their faces, prove exceptionally complex to automate. Kasparov also commented on the exponential growth in AI capabilities, noting that the processing power in our mobile devices today vastly surpasses that of supercomputers from 50 years ago, positing that sheer computational strength is presently dominating AI advancements, nevertheless stressing that the significant peril originates from human actors, not AI systems, asserting that humanity holds a unique capacity for malice, while machines merely magnify either positive or negative human actions, and acknowledging that prominent specialists anticipate the arrival of artificial general intelligence systems capable of performing any intellectual task at a human level within the coming years. The big story today was the formalization of an agreement between the United Kingdom and Ukraine to collaborate on the creation of artificial intelligence for military purposes, an alliance that seeks to combine Ukraine's on-the-ground combat knowledge with the UK's advanced technological prowess to engineer sophisticated AI-enhanced military forces. This strategic partnership is designed to establish the AI-ready armed forces that both countries, and their allies, will depend on for future security, emphasizing tangible collaboration and aiming to set a precedent for AI development that other countries can emulate, highlighting a mutual dedication to strengthening defense relationships and contributing to the future defense capabilities of Europe. The Ukrainian president and the UK Prime Minister share a common goal in guiding the evolution of contemporary warfare, recognizing the significant influence of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems, and for both nations, a primary strategic objective is to pioneer the secure, responsible, and operationally effective use of artificial intelligence in defense, with Ukraine's defense capabilities, its resilience, and its exceptional operational experience being vital contributions not only to its own sovereignty and territorial integrity but also to the broader stability and security of Europe and NATO. But that is not all. According to Dr. Dre, the apprehension surrounding artificial intelligence in music creation is primarily felt by those who find the creative process challenging, drawing a parallel between current anxieties about AI and the initial resistance encountered by drum machines and synthesizers, positioning AI as a novel instrument for artistic expression. Shifting gears, a significant event showcasing artificial intelligence capable of autonomously constructing a web application in a remarkably short time frame has ignited urgent conversations regarding its ramifications for scientific investigation, with this swift progress, observed in Barbados, demonstrating AI's capacity to expedite intricate processes, compressing tasks that would typically take days into mere minutes. The velocity and scale of this transformation are compelling neuroscience departments to proactively establish official guidelines for AI utilization, with apprehensions growing, especially among doctoral candidates, concerning the possibility that AI might impede the cultivation of profound skills and the long-term effects on educational pathways and financial support. One more thing before we go, financial commentator Peter Schiff views artificial intelligence as a substantial risk to Bitcoin, rather than a positive driver, asserting that AI is in direct competition with Bitcoin for investor funds, energy consumption, and the resources of data centers, and further speculating that sophisticated AI could potentially identify weaknesses in Bitcoin's underlying code, its cryptographic methods, or its overall network security. In other news, a wave of opposition is forming against the surge of AI slop, low-grade digital material churned out at high speed by artificial intelligence, with artists and establishment operators resisting this trend, asserting that such content lacks genuine creative merit and jeopardizes the careers of human creators, and establishments like the American Bar in Belfast have publicly announced their commitment to being AI-free, with a growing number of other venues adopting similar policies. Here is something you might have missed, as artificial intelligence is poised to fundamentally alter our engagement with technology, with Apple's Siri now being enhanced by Google's Gemini large language model LLM capabilities, a fusion that intends to elevate Siri beyond its current role as a basic voice assistant, empowering it to function as a sophisticated AI agent adept at handling intricate requests, and a primary objective of this advancement is its deep incorporation with external software, facilitating smoother and more intelligent user interactions, an initiative that marks a notable progression in the pursuit of creating AI assistants with greater sophistication and utility. The creation of this advanced Siri AI is geared towards transforming the assistant into a more competent AI agent, and this partnership represents a significant development within the competitive field of AI assistants, with the structured design, comprising devices, models, reasoning, and applications, forming the foundation of this advanced system, and consumers can look forward to a future where their devices offer improved comprehension and foresight regarding their needs. This evolution, highlighting the accelerated development of artificial intelligence and its increasing integration into everyday activities. And finally, prominent financial figures Stanley Druckenmiller and Dan Loeb have recently undertaken a substantial reallocation of their investments, divesting their entire stakes in Broadcom and concurrently channeling considerable capital into Alphabet, indicating a notable adjustment in their approach to artificial intelligence opportunities and implying a conviction that Alphabet holds a superior standing to capitalize on the ensuing advancements in AI. The battle for fundamental rights is now heavily influenced by data, affecting everything from personal medical histories to the vast information used to train artificial intelligence, a dynamic that poses a significant challenge for transgender and gender-diverse people, as their specific healthcare requirements can be overlooked or inaccurately portrayed within data systems. See you first thing tomorrow morning for the next briefing.
Stay up to date with news all day. Like us, comment, follow and subscribe. Thank you.